In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all comments in Google Sheets. Knowing how to efficiently manage and review comments in Google Sheets can significantly enhance your workflow, especially when collaborating with others. Let's get right into the process, ensuring you understand each step clearly and thoroughly. First, you'll want to start by locating the Sheet tabs at the bottom of your Google Sheets document. Right-click on the specific cell on the sheet that contains the comments you're interested in. This simple action opens up a menu of options relevant to that cell, allowing you to interact with its contents more dynamically. From this menu, select the option labeled View Comments. This is a crucial step because it directs Google Sheets to display all the comments associated with that particular cell. Upon selecting View Comments, you'll notice a panel opening on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is a powerful tool in Google Sheets, providing a centralized location where you can see every comment created on that specific tab. What makes this panel particularly useful is its organizational capabilities. You have the option to sort these comments based on their status, such as whether they are open or have been resolved. This sorting feature can be invaluable for prioritizing tasks or tracking the progress of discussions. Moreover, Google Sheets allows you to broaden or narrow your focus as needed. You are able to sort through all the sheets in your document, or if you prefer, you can concentrate your efforts on just a specific sheet. This flexibility ensures you can customize your experience to best suit your needs, whether you're dealing with a massive spreadsheet or a more condensed one. Another useful feature is the For You tab. This allows you to filter comments so that you see only those directed specifically to you. This targeted view helps you quickly address feedback or questions that need your personal attention, streamlining your workflow and fostering efficient collaboration with your team. And that's all there is to it. Utilizing these tools within Google Sheets can save you a significant amount of time and also ensure you stay on top of your projects. I hope this guide has been helpful in clarifying how to review comments effectively. Whether you're managing a small project or coordinating a larger team effort, being able to quickly and easily access all relevant comments ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial insightful. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Happy spreadsheeting!